Hey guys, Michelle Sullivan here. Welcome back to my channel. I recently released a video where I put a camo smoke bomb, a 2-minute smoke bomb, under the water and filmed it in slow motion. A viewer of mine named Rover Addict recommended that I try that experiment with bubble solution. So that's what we're doing today. Come check it out. All right, I've mixed up this bubble solution. It is 12 cups of water, 2 cups of dish soap, and 2 big heaping tablespoons of glycerin. It's been mixed up, it's been setting for a few hours, so it should be good and settled. I've got a smoke bomb, a 5-minute smoke bomb this time, and I've got it taped onto an arrow so I can shove it in, take it out, shove it in, swirl it around, play with it. It's gonna be fun. I've got my safety equipment here. I got a fire extinguisher, face shield, and some leather gloves. Remember guys, I make these videos to entertain and to educate. They're not for you to emulate, so don't try this stuff at home, okay? Just watch my videos and then like my videos and then share my videos and subscribe to my channel and send me money. Thanks. Ooh, that lit nicely. I think the sulfur might be doing something to my bubble solution. It might be messing it up. It's not nearly as spectacular as I hoped, but that's all right. I got a backup plan. All right, I made a backup plan. I've got this firecracker on a little weight, so when it sinks down to the bucket, this firecracker will be perfectly centered in the middle of the bucket, in the middle of the volume of water. And I think it's gonna rip that bucket apart. What do you think? 1 gram firecrackers, you see me make tons of them. You're gonna see me make tons more of them. So we're gonna light it, we're gonna drop it. This is gonna settle it down into the middle, and I'm gonna run that way. All right. Safety gear. Slow motion is running. Main camera is running. Fire in the hole. All right, guys, here's our aftermath. All right, it shattered it even below that thing, and it cracked my CD. No, that's just hot glue. That CD survived. Huh. Shattered the bucket real good. Soapy sulfur water everywhere. All right, guys, I hope you thought that was as much fun as I did. The soapy bubble thing was a little anticlimactic, but you know, maybe the slow motion will look really cool. You guys know what to do. You do all the things you do if you like someone on YouTube. I don't need to explain it to you. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, Land Rover Addict. You're awesome. See you guys. Bye-bye.